this ever happened to you? It's a jar, and the jar has a lid that will not come off. As much as I try, it's not coming off. So we can use this as an analogy. We can pretend that this jar and the lid that's attached to it is one big molecule, let's say, and we want to break apart this molecule. But regular energy that we have available to us, good old-fashioned, just regular strength, is not going to be enough. The activation energy is way too high, meaning that this seal between this lid and the jar is just way too strong, that just the regular energy that is available to it is just not enough. Now, we could have like stronger person coming in here and twisting this off, and that's great. Maybe that would work. But if this is taking place in the context of, say, like living tissue, adding that much heat might actually be, or that much more strength would be potentially dangerous for that particular organism. So what can we then do to help try to weaken this, lower the activation energy to sort of allow us to get this lid off without having to simply just increase the strength of the person that is trying to take the lid off of this jar? Enzymes. This would be like an enzyme, and in fact, if you ever have this problem, this is a great little tool. A rubber band, and we're going to take this rubber band and put it around the lid like so. Now, how is this acting like an enzyme? Well, this is all about having the ability to weaken the bonds that keep this thing together. Many times enzymes will use ions like hydrogen ions or transfer of electrons to help start weakening bonds within a molecule that is supposed to react with another molecule, or in this case, a large molecule that's supposed to separate off into two molecules. So this would be like a large substrate, and we want to undergo hydrolysis, for example, and make this into two smaller products, or two smaller molecules. So let's see if this works. Enzymes there, and now, whoa, that actually worked way too good. Yeah, it worked. There it is. I've now been able to use just the regular energy that's available to us within the body here, and I was able to separate out this large substrate into two smaller ones, and the enzyme, by chance, happens to remain completely unused in this reaction. This can then go on and open up another lid off of another jar, and we're good. That's my analogy.